There was epizootic that started up off of from Virginia to New Jersey in the late summer, so July, August. And most of the dolphins were dying in that area throughout the late summer and fall. And then as we went into fall and winter, we saw more strandings occurring off the North Carolina coast, and then as we went further into winter and early spring, the dolphin strandings were increasing all the way down to about central Florida, and now they've come back up with the coast again. Most of the animals that have been found, that were sampled, almost all of them have a virus that's called a morbillivirus, and so we're assuming at this point that the morbillivirus is the cause of this mortality event, or epizootic. The morbillivirus effects can be seen in many animals in growth, so the skin lesions and mouth lesions, and also there are some organ issues that are seen when an animal is, necropsied. So far, about 1,200 to 1,400 animals have stranded. A similar event, these are all bottlenose dolphins. Most of them are bottlenose dolphins. There have been a handful of other species, but primarily bottlenose dolphins. This epizootic event is very similar to an event that occurred in 1987-88, where fewer dolphins, but also approaching 1,000, died with exactly the same pattern, starting in the summertime in the northern part of the range of these dolphins, and then as we went into fall and winter, the mortality rates were increasing along, moving further south, and then in the spring they came back north again. And the reason so we don't know what causes a morbillivirus, but maybe there's something in common. Maybe there's a common vector from an offshore species or something. We're still looking into that. But the reason for the pattern of the strandings is because our dolphins in the northern part of the range are migratory. So in the southern part of the U.S., southeast part of the U.S., dolphins are found year-round. In the northern part of the range, they're there in the summertime, but not in the winter, and they're probably following the prey species out of the northern areas down to the southern areas. So there's vectors in those populations carrying that morbillivirus and then passing it to different populations along the coast.